Hello, Jim Reynolds family. As we know, this is the time for us to get our minds cleared, get our hearts ready, get our body circulating with air and stretching and exercising, leaving everything that we have to deal with every single day, all the stresses, the family, different things that's going on in the world, COVID, leaving all that stuff behind so we can be able to give our customers the best that we can give them, give our employees the best that we can give them, one another. And so let's get going, let's get started.
Hey there, everybody. My name is Portia, and what I'm gonna do is just take you through a 5-minute warm-up. You can do this anywhere, anytime, but I'm doing it especially for Jim Reynolds because it's really important to go into a work day, especially the type of work that's done in your field, with your body ready, strong, and warmed up. So we're gonna start with some isolations. All that means is just separating body parts. We're gonna start with the head and move all the way through the body. So I'm just gonna take isolations down and back, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna go through the shoulders. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3. And we wanna make everything as big as we can. 6, 7, 8. Bend your knees just slightly, and we're gonna do some rib cage isolations, just poking the ribs out away from your lower body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It may feel strange, but you really wanna be able to separate those body parts and get them good and warm. It's amazing how sometimes you can go through a week or a month and not use half of your muscles or ligaments or body parts that you have. And what happens? They stiffen up, they lose their strength. So we're gonna continue to do some warm-ups through isolations, and we're gonna just take the head again, and we're just gonna push it side, side, front, back. Side, side, front, back. And now we're gonna just take half circles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we're gonna raise those arms up over our head. And we're gonna reach. 1, 2, and just keep reaching. And just really stretch that rib cage. Now we're getting into the rib cage more, a little more intensive rib cage stretching. And just a few more. So when you work in a field such as construction, there's something that happens along with many other fields and many other types of movement. It's called muscle memory. And I know you've heard of it, and you could relate it to, say, riding a bike. Once you learn how to ride a bike as a young person or however old, it's something that you never forget. So muscle memory is repetitious movement, memory that develops after repetitious movement. And the thing about working in construction, that repetitious movement can sometimes cause a little havoc on your physical self. Maybe like carpal tunnel or shoulder stiffness or things like that. So you want to use warm-up exercises and physical exercise to kind of work against that negative muscle memory. So that's why it's really important to keep moving. And you want to move until you can't move anymore. And when you don't move anymore, it makes you not be able to move anymore. So we're just going to stretch down, touching our toes. Don't lock your knees. But stretching is hugely important in keeping a healthy body. And come up, and then just arch your back And stretch behind you. And let those shoulders fall behind you. And we're gonna curl down again, vertebrae at a time. Those little round discs in your back, you got 32 of them. And you're just gonna curl down slowly and let your hands take you all the way to the floor. Relax your shoulders and just gently grab the backs of your ankles and gently pull yourself closer to your legs. And you probably even feel the hamstring stretching. And curl back up. And this is just a little bit of movement, and we're gonna take a side stretch, lateral stretch here, and side stretch. And to finish it up, we're just gonna lift like we're stepping forward and lunge back, and lift like you're stepping forward and lunge back. And change the other side, step and lift, and lunge back, step and lift, and lunge back. One more, lift, and lunge back, and down. And let's just finish up by taking a deep breath. And again, this is just simple 5 minutes, and you're just working yourself all the way through your body, and come out. And we're gonna push our arms forward like we're saying stop. Stretch those fingers, you're kind of fanning them out and reversing them. And fanning them and reversing. This doesn't look like a lot, but it's a really important stretch for the hands, wrists, forearms, and all the way back. And bring those arms together and press. Strengthening those pecs and relax. You might not be able to see the intensity, but you're just pushing those hands together as hard as you can. Press and relax, and just bring those arms down. And again, take a nice deep breath and finish. Exhale. Okay. All right, hopefully that gets you through your day. See, it just took 5 minutes, but incorporate that into every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you've gotten a pretty good workout in. Take care.
My name is Yusuf Bibb. I'm here to do the morning breather. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off focusing on the breath. On the inhale, I want your air, oxygen to go in through your nostrils, stomach come out like a basketball. Exhale, breath come out your mouth, bring your stomach back in, but no strain. Okay, so just relax your shoulders, close your eyes. We're gonna do it 5 times. Okay, breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more time, breathe in. And out. So the purpose behind that is to get some clarity, any anxiety, any tension that you may be having before going out into the field. This will alleviate a lot of tension, depression even, anxiety, and it helps with blood pressure. So this is something important that you would like to implement through your day-to-day routine, whether you at the job, whether you at home. It don't take nothing but a couple seconds to do. Very beneficial, and I appreciate y'all for having me.
Hello, my name is Portia Ellis, and I'm going to recite some affirmations. Once I say the affirmation, just repeat after me. I get better every day. I make a positive difference in the world. I believe in myself. I control my actions. I am disciplined. I am peaceful. I face my fears. I love and appreciate myself. I have many accomplishments worth celebrating. I surround myself with good, positive, and supportive people. I am confident. I release all negative energy over money. All the resources I need are within me.
Hello, my name's Khalil. Thank you for joining us for our morning routine. Now that we're all done, we're ready to set off and go conquer the day. Let's do it.